What's up everyone, Brad here with the Money Dad channel. In this video I am talking about a stock chart pattern that I found on this particular stock that you're looking at right now on my screen, futu, stock ticker FUTU. There's a nice little wedge pattern that has formed and we have a breakout and it looks like we are heading up to a price target that I will measure out for you guys and show you here later in this video. But I just want to let you know I made a video on this, what was it, about a week ago? Yeah, about 1 week ago in this video right here, 3 stocks to buy now in June 2021. I was looking for this breakout and we got it. I think I may have made the video after it broke out actually, but we didn't really start to take off until today. So I went ahead and placed a trade on this stock. I told my channel members in a community post, if you're interested in joining my channel, it is a monthly fee, very small monthly fee. It's like $2.99 a month. That would help out me and my family a lot. If you want to contribute to that, would help so much and I would appreciate it so much. But the big thing that you would get from that is to see my trades in real time. So I told my channel members this morning that I'm getting into futu, FUTU. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, because I'm just here for the trade. That's it, guys. I'm just trying to trade this one for a short-term gain. If you are a long-term investor in this stock, then you probably know more about it than I do, because all I'm looking at here is this chart pattern. I think we have a lot of gains to be had very shortly here in this stock, so I'm going to go through it. But real quick, the reason that I found this stock wasn't even this chart pattern. It was actually the financials just look absolutely fantastic in my opinion on this stock. I remember pulling this up and seeing this right here and I was like, oh my goodness gracious, look at this stuff. So the financials look absolutely awesome. You can see over the last 4 years they haven't been going straight up. I mean, in 2017 we went from 40 million revenue and negative profit margin to 100 million revenue and positive profit margin, and then 135 million revenue in 2019, and then in 2020 we jumped all the way up to 426 million in revenue with a profit margin of 40%. I mean, that is just fantastic. So the quarterlies look even better than the annuals. You can see over the very near term, over the last year, it's gone from, I mean, just from good to better to even better to absolutely ridiculously fantastic with a profit margin of 52% in the last quarter. So that is an extremely profitable company. They do need to work on growing the business because, I mean, even the most recent quarter, they had by far the most revenue ever at 284 million. I mean, if you extrapolate that over a full year, you're talking about more than $1 billion in revenue and about $600 million in net income, which is fantastic considering where they came from just, you know, even just last year. But they are a $21 billion company at market cap. So they're getting up there in market cap size. They are absolutely very profitable, but we want to continue to see that grow, because if we're going to justify, you know, this trade, you know, as the stock price goes up, that market cap is going to continue to climb with it, right? So we need to continue to see that revenue increase. We need to see them kind of continue to build this business up, and it does seem like they've been doing a great job at that. So I don't have any reason to believe that they won't continue to do that, but it's just something to keep an eye on, and we won't really know anything about that until they hit their next quarterly earnings report. But all that said, that's more for the long-term investor. I think this is a good-looking long-term investment if that's what you want to do. But the real reason for this video is this short-term trade setup that I think looks very good. We got this consolidating wedge pattern right here coming off of a big bull flag. I mean, it's a very nice consolidation pattern and breakout, right? We had this overhead resistance, we had this underlying support, we broke through the resistance right here back at the beginning of June, so that was a good sign, And then the next good sign was when we came back to retest it, it acted as support. Now that that resistance line is underneath us, we wanted to see it act as support, and sure enough it did. We bounced right off of it and we're heading up. So that is a very good sign. I don't have the paid trading view account, so I'm getting these pop-ups, of course. So let's go ahead and measure out this price target, because I think we're heading there right now. So how I do this is with these consolidation patterns, I don't think this is quite a bull flag or bull pennant, even though it is close. I'm going to make a more conservative price target on this one than what a bull flag or bull pennant would project for this, because that is a massive flagpole, and I'm just not comfortable with holding a trade until we reach some astronomical price target based on the size of that flagpole. So let's go a little more conservative. We're going to measure the size of this trading range right here, starting with the first touchdown. That's how I like to do it. So we go ahead and grab our ruler. We start it there. We measure to the top, wherever that resistance was, and we get about 65 bucks for that trading range right there. Okay, so I'm taking that 65 bucks and I'm going to start it wherever we touch down as our last kind of support before we think we're taking off. So we take this ruler right here, start it right there. We measure $65 of upside from there, and we get $205. That is our price target, right? And we're currently sitting at $172 ish, right? So we're looking at about $35, $33 of price action to the upside from where futu is sitting right now today. So that's pretty good. I mean, that's a good chunk of change. So that is why I got into this stock as a trade. I mean, it's a fantastic looking company from the fundamentals financial standpoint, and there's also a very nice technical chart pattern set up here, and we've already broken out and we're currently heading towards that price target. So I just thought it was a fantastic opportunity. That's why I'm making this video. I'm sharing it with you guys for you to take this information and do whatever you want with it. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not make a trade. Don't do anything with your money based solely on this information. Do your own research, your own due diligence, and then let me know in the comments below what you decide. If you found some new information, what did you decide to do? Let me know in the comments below. I'm very curious to hear from you guys. I hope I make some money on this one, and if you decide to make a trade or invest long term, I hope you make a lot of money too. That's what I got for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button. We do stock chart pattern analysis, technical analysis on this channel. I also do a little bit of how-tos and investing basics, things like that. So go check out the channel. There's a little bit of everything there based around the stock market. So a little bit of crypto too. Not a ton of crypto anymore, but a little bit. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.